In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the playback speed of a YouTube video on the YouTube mobile app. Okay, so to do this, all you need to do is tap on a video that you want to change the playback speed of. I'm just going to pause that. And then you can see, if I pause the video, 3 vertical dots at the top right of the video playback screen. If I tap on those 3 dots, you can see the 4th option is playback speed. If I tap on that, you can see that currently it's on normal speed. I can decrease it to half the speed. And if I tap on the 3 dots again and go back to playback speed, I can go to 1.5 times if you want to watch it really fast. And then the video will play 1.5 times faster. So that is a very quick and simple way of how you can change the playback speed on the YouTube mobile app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.